While the video we just watched showed us a 9-step value scale, we are going to create a 5-step value scale. Creating value scales with a different number of steps is both beneficial and challenging in different ways. I often create 5-step value scales for my personal paintings. If you have a ruler, I do suggest that you use it. The first thing we're going to do is create a long rectangle, very long and skinny rectangle. It should be at least 1 inch. Now you will need a pencil for this activity. You are going to divide your rectangle into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's not exactly equal, so I'm going to do the best I can and erase certain lines and move certain lines over until it looks equal. My first square is always going to be white, and my last square will be as dark as I can make it, as close to black as I can. Your goal is to create equal steps of tone. We can do this by varying our pencil pressure and layering. The harder you press on your pencil, the darker the mark. The lighter you press on your pencil, and you probably can't even see that, the lighter the mark. Practicing pressing hard and light on your paper. Layering can also create additional darkness when using your pencil. I am coloring in my box, but I would like it darker. So I'm going to go over it again. I think I'd like it darker. So I'm going to put down a 3rd layer. My pressure remains the same, but as I continue to overlap my pencil marks, the box gets darker. Now, if this is white, then your next box should be very light. So I am very gently pressing on my paper and maybe using my finger to blend so it looks soft. My next box should be a little darker. I'm going to very carefully fill in this box, making sure I get all of the edges and there's no white space left. Since I can see all the pencil marks, I'm going to use my finger to blend the pencil. My next box should be even darker. So I am going to repeat what I had done for box 3. I want to fill in the entire box and leave no white space. Now, the white to the first box looks very different, and this box to this box, there is a large jump in value. But this box to this box, the jump is not enough. we want the jumps from each box to be equal. So I'm going to add another layer of pencil marks to this box. And blend. Now I see that it looks very different from the third box. Now the last box should be as dark as I can make it. So I'm applying medium pressure and making sure there are no white spots left. And I am making sure to layer because I want the jump from this box to this box to look as extreme as the jump from here to here to here. Here I have my 5-step value scale. You will be keeping this scale for the rest of the year because it is useful in determining how light or dark a color is that you will apply to your painting or your drawing.